In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on your Kia Sorento. Located under the hood, let's get started. Moving over to the left front side of the vehicle, we're going to be removing these two clips. And for that, I have a small pry bar or pry tool. And we're going to be prying on this. Sliding it off. Do the same on this side. Grab the piece of the intake and slide it out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the negative terminal right here. Loosen it up. Do not take it completely off. Just get it loose. Wiggle the terminal and get it off. Moving to the positive terminal, we're going to open this tab. And we're going to be removing the terminal using a 10mm socket. Just get it loose. Do not take it completely off. Once that's loose, you can simply wiggle the terminal out and move it out of the way. It helps if you close this so you can tuck it in. Now that we have the terminals off the battery, using a 12mm socket and an extension, we're going to remove the tie down. Once you have it loose, grab it and take it out of the way. And now we can grab the battery, take it out, remove the battery protector. Now that we have our replacement battery, we're going to reinstall the cover. Simply slide it on. And now we're ready to put it back in the vehicle. With the terminals facing the back of the battery, we're going to slide it in place and move the terminals around. Now we're ready to install the battery tie down. Line it up with the hole and start the bolt by hand. Just like that. Snug it up. Now we're ready to move on to the positive terminal. And for that, we're gonna open it. We're gonna slide it over the terminal. Snug it down. Close your terminal. Reinstall the negative terminal. Line it up. Push it down. And using a 10mm socket, we're going to snug it down. Now that both terminals are installed, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our intake pipe. Line it up with the holes. And reinstall your clips. And that's how you replace your battery.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.